From Lusaka in 2022, Nairobi in 2023, and Accra in 2024, we are now here in Luanda. We are here with a very extensive program for this week. In fact, we've decided to spread this program over a 5-day period. And I do hope that by extending it, we're not just taking your time away from the office, but we hope to give you more of the tools that you are able to use. And you are also able to give us more. Canso is about how much you give, and that gives you more. It's about your level of participation, and that is really what gives you more.
É com elevado sentido de missão que vos dou as boas-vindas a este workshop de segurança, operações e mobilidade aérea avançada, uma iniciativa estratégica da Canso, acolhida com grande entusiasmo pela ENNA. A ENNA reafirma o seu compromisso de alinhamento com as congêneres regionais. A nossa meta é clara: harmonizar protocolos e fortalecer a resiliência do sistema de aviação civil, antecipando os desafios da mobilidade aérea do futuro. Que as vossas contribuições impactem positivamente a segurança operacional e a eficiência da aviação africana, consolidando Angola como um nó vital na rede de conectividade africana e global. Desejo a todos um workshop bastante profícuo e, uma vez mais, sejam bem-vindos a Luanda, a nossa terra que muito nos orgulha.
We feel happy for the opportunity to have host this workshop. Our action as a member state of the African region are to make efforts and achieve tangible results, practical executions of so much in change and learn knowledge regarding advanced air mobility, as well about the safety and operation working groups. We keep the compromise to participate actively in each working group and, of course, show our ability to cooperate as a member of our region. Thank you very much. And I will be saying local language, what's happening here.